Can you believe it? Recently, a star named H7708 is wildly running and escaping in the Milky Way, and its speed is astonishing, reaching 7,872,000 kilometers per hour, which is 2,187 kilometers per second. Isn't this speed beyond comprehension? Too terrifying? As we all know, for any object to fly out of the Milky Way, its initial speed must reach at least 140 kilometers per second, which is the so-called third cosmic velocity. But this so-called third cosmic velocity is just a small fry compared to the speed of AP1718. In fact, it can be simply understood that, apart from the speed of light, humans have not yet discovered an object faster than the running speed of H1718. Precisely because H1718 is running at a speed nearly 30 times greater than the third cosmic velocity, anyone who dares to block its escape path will inevitably be shattered to pieces. Unless a formidable blocker appears and intercepts it at the cost of life, it will escape from the Milky Way. Once it gets out, it's almost a sure thing. It truly echoes the saying that in the face of absolute power, everything else is insignificant. But on the other hand, despite H1718's reckless rampage in the Milky Way, it actually doesn't want to become a homeless wanderer. In fact, H1718 is already a white dwarf star, which is a stage that a star must go through as it approaches the end of its life. Before escaping, it was actually part of a binary star system. The larger, gluttonous white dwarf in the system absorbed too much matter and energy, resulting in it exploding. Poor H1718 was directly blasted away and knocked out of its orbit, forced to wander in its later years. Displaced from its home, and because the resistance in space is virtually zero, it's not hard to understand why it is now moving so fast. One can imagine that H1718's ultimate fate has two paths. One is to completely disappear in endless drifting, unable to return to its roots, and the other is to collide with other celestial bodies in the universe, shattering completely and contributing to the cosmic dust. Seeing this is truly awe-inspiring, so would you like to give H1718 a complete home?